Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Aspire Knowledge. Hi, I am Japneet and I'm conducting this session. And our today's EVS topic is parts of plants. Let's start with the topic. What do we get from plants? Before starting with the parts, I just wanted to let you know that what do we get from plants? Why plants are useful to us? Let's see. Plants provide us food, fiber, medicine and fuel. क्या provide करते हैं? Food, fiber और medicine and also fuel. The basic food for all organisms is produced by green plants. So सारे organisms जितने भी living being है सबके लिए food, basic food क्या है? Green plants हैं. They also gives us oxygen to breathe और ये हमें ऑक्सीजन भी देते हैं. They are the home for birds and animals. So basically they provide shelter to birds and animals. Now let's start with the parts of plants. So let's see a picture. This I have mentioned the names of all the parts. Starting with the first one, bud. Now the second is flower. Third one is fruit. Next is leaf. Other one is stem. Now the next part is root. So all the parts I have read, they are the parts of plants, and one more is seed. Now let's see how they are classified. So parts of plants are divided into two parts. First one is shoot and the second one is root. Now let's see the parts of shoot again. So shoot includes bud, flower, fruit, stem, leaves and branches. So all these parts are parts of shoot. Now we will discuss about each of the part. So starting with the bud, we are going to discuss everything about the bud. A bud is a small part of plant that develops into flower or plant. So bud एक ऐसा part है जो जब grow करता है उसका flower बन जाता है या एक new plant बन जाता है. Like this you can see in the picture that bud is growing up and it will become a flower soon. Let's move on to next part, which is flower. So this is how a flower looks like, and every flower is different in shape, size and color. So no, don't think that I have given this flower so this is the only flower. There are so many flowers, variety of flowers are there. So a flower, sometimes known as a bloom or blossom, is a productive structure found in flowering plant. So जरूरी नहीं है flower हर plant में आए, but कुछ plants ऐसे होते हैं जिन्हें flowering plants कहते हैं, उन्हीं में ये आता है. और ये क्या है? Reproductive structure, because due to flowers, plants can reproduce and give birth to another plant. Now the next one is fruit. Let's see. So there are so many fruits you eat. From where we get them? We get them from plants. A fruit is a seed bearing structure in flowering plants. So फ्रूट क्या है? प्लांट पर होता है और फ्रूट के अंदर क्या होता है? सीड्स होते हैं. और ये सीड्स किस काम आते हैं? जब हम फ्रूट खा लेते हैं उसके बाद वो सीड्स को अगर हम सो कर दें तो दोबारा से प्लांट आ जाएगा. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज लीफ. So this is how leaves look like. Leaves may vary in color, size. Alright, so they may be bigger than this or smaller than this, or maybe you can see dark green color leaves or light green colors, and sometimes the leaves are of different colors like uh, pinkish kind of colors you can see in leaves. So there are also different colors of leaves. A leaf is a part of plant that makes food for whole plant. So leaf एक ऐसा part है जो food बनाता है plants के लिए. It is also known as food factory of the plant, और इसे food factory भी कहते हैं. Now the next one is stem. So this is how stem looks like. And what is the function of stem? What do stem do? So a stem is a part of plant which bears branches, leaves, flower, fruit and bud on it. So all the parts of shoot, those are on the stem. So stem bears the burden of everything. It helps the plant to stand up straight. और ये प्लांट को सीधा खड़ा रहने में हेल्प करता है. Now the next part is branch. So this is how branch look like. There are so many branches. So they are connected to the stem. Let's study about the branch. A branch or tree branch is a woody structural member connected to stem which bears leaves, fruits, flowers and bud. So branches कहाँ से connected होती हैं? Stem से. और branches के ऊपर क्या क्या होता है? Leaves, flowers, fruits and bud. ये सब कुछ branches के ऊपर होता है. Now next part is root. This is a part of plant. So this is how roots look like. The root is a part of plant that bears the burden of shoot, that is leaves, branches, stem, fruit, flower, bud. So all of the things are on the root. Root bears their burden and it fixes it to soil. और root जो है प्लांट को सॉइल के साथ फिक्स करके सीधा खड़ा रखती है. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope I have given you good amount of explanation of parts of plants. If you need to see some more kind of videos like this, then please do subscribe my channel so that you can be updated, and you can also comment in the comment section if you want me to make any topic for you. Bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, stay home and stay connected with me.